Hello friends, welcome to Savaji. Today we are going to learn Methi Lacha Paratha. Lacha Paratha or Lachidar Paratha is a popular paratha recipe from North India made from whole wheat flour, and it is also called as Paratwala Paratha. And in Punjabi, Parat means layer, and layers can be seen on the paratha when it gets cooked, and its South Indian counterpart is the parota, which is made from all-purpose flour and eggs. Lachidar paratha is an easy paratha to make, and there are some 2 to 3 techniques used for making these parathas, and usually make a paratha of medium thickness. If you make them more thick, then more layers will be visible, but then we have to cook the paratha really very well so that it is not left uncooked from inside. And today we are going to learn this lacha paratha prepared with methi. Now we'll see ingredients required. We need wheat flour 2 cups, methi leaves 1 cup, and ajwain seeds 1 tablespoon, salt as per taste, and oil as required, and water to knead the dough. So very less ingredients, so normally available at home. Now I'll see directions to prepare. Keep ready all your ingredients, that is wheat flour, methi leaves, ajwain seeds, salt, and oil. So take wheat flour in dish and add little oil, and then ajwain seeds. And then salt take as per your taste, and mix well. Add little oil and mix the flour, and then add water little by little, and knead well. Adding methi leaves, chopped methi leaves we are adding here. Mix the dough well. And finally add a little more oil, and end up kneading the dough completely. So now dough is very much ready to prepare lacha paratha. Now I'll see the preparation, how we have to prepare this. Take a medium sized ball from dough, and roll it into 6 to 7 inches diameter thin disc. wrinkle flour while rolling. And now apply ghee or oil liberally on the paratha disc. Divert onto lowering plate so that it will be applied overall surface of the paratha. Now from the edge start folding and plating, and one fold front and one fold back, just like in preparing fan, hand fan making, and roll the pleated dough in a tight circle. So now tight circle is prepared. Now again dust some flour and start rolling again. Now you can see the layers are coming out while you rolling the dough. Perfectly layers are coming out, you can see. Dust some flour in between so to prepare this paratha big in size, and then it's ready to be put on tawa. Heat the tawa and place the paratha on the hot tawa, and turn the lacha paratha when one side is partially cooked. Now apply ghee on this side, and now turn again and apply ghee on other side. Ghee or oil, whatever you like, you can apply, and flip again for a couple of times till the parathas turn to brown in color. And alternatively, you could also add some ghee on the tawa and fry the lacha paratha. Now it's ready, so take into plate, serving plate. When people don't like to take methi directly, you can prepare this type of recipes. So this methi paratha can be liked by everybody. Kids also love it very much, and diabetic patients can take it as their diet. And serve the lacha parathas hot with any curried vegetable or paneer recipe or any pickle. You can also squeeze the paratha in your palms. Take care as they will be hard so that the layers are visible, and then serve. So this is for today, methi lacha paratha, and you can put it as a lunch box to kids also. It tastes good. So I hope you like my video. Keep watching, and thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.